Go.
Hi, my name is Sherelle.
Hi.
Okay, again. With my hand.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Sherelle. How many times I can't introduce myself? I'm almost tempted to say NVR. Hi, my name is Sherelle.
Hi, my name is Christiana, and we're going to raised in California.
Hi, my name is I shouldn't say that.
You said it again.
I'm sorry, that was my fault. Again.
Okay.
You sounded like you were nervous.
I am.
Don't be nervous. Hi, my name is Sherelle.
We're gonna do it again?
Yeah, we have.
Let's just start all over again because I was nervous.
Hmm?
Because I was nervous the first time.
I get this.
Christiana? That, my voice sounded weird. Okay, last time.
Hi, my name is Sherelle.
Stop.
Why are you laughing? Okay. Hi, my name is Sherelle. I bet they already know my name now.
When I get nervous, I laugh.
That's so weird. Okay. Okay. Okay, enough. Here. Hi, my name is Sherelle. What?
Can we calm down? I didn't know it was gonna be this hard.
What the heck is wrong with you? Stop! Oh my god, it's hot.
It's getting hot.
I know, because they're laughing.
Okay, I have to get over my giggles. Okay.
I'm so quiet, that's why it's kind of awkward.
Okay.
So you have to pick one.
Dang it! Let me let them out.
You see my screen?
I guess I could just say that my favorite subject was English. Because I like grammar.
Well, you have to
so.
say,
No, I'm going to edit it.
but you have to say it still.
Huh?
But don't you have to like put yourself saying, I like English?
Yeah, I just did.
Oh, yeah. Okay, never mind.
What?
Okay, wait, I don't know the singer. Hold on.
I should say that louder, huh? I don't play sports. Let me do that. I don't play sports. Yeah. Yeah?
Hello?
Yes?
What are you doing?
We're recording.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, is that the... Do you want to answer?
Hello? I'm at my friend's house. Okay, that's fine. I think I had a co-op. Let me see. I've had other for like about a year now. And
Oh, that's what I want to say. Oh, we
Okay.
met. We'll do that after. Okay.
It's done anyway. So, bye.
Bye.
You're insecure.